Hey, what's up friends? Welcome back to SMC Health and Fitness. This is Syed Muzammil, Health, Fitness and Nutrition Coach. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get an instant update on my latest videos. Last time when I uploaded a Ragi Smoothie video, you guys liked it very much and I got a very great response to it. So I thought to bring a new variant of this Ragi Smoothie. Person those who are struggling to gain their weight, this could be a very great option for them because this is loaded with high calories, 54 grams of protein, 105 grams of carb and 30 grams of fat. Overall calories is around 900. So this will be a very great option for your breakfast. If you have a very less time to prepare your breakfast, then this could be a very great option because it consumes a very less time to prepare it. And you can even add this in your post-workout meal also for a great weight gain results. But if you guys are on fat loss and reducing the weight and you want to try this, then don't worry. I'll also mention the quantity of the ingredients to be used in your fat loss also in my description box. So without wasting the time, let's see the recipe. So you can see it just take only 5 minutes to prepare. It is very tasty and very healthy also. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section about the taste and its results.